This video will demonstrate how to use the attendance tracker on WebTools. Right now we are on the attendance tracker page, so we've already gone into our menu and clicked on, this is the menu, we've clicked on Human Resources and then Attendance Tracker, which brings us to this page here. When you log in on any given morning to input the attendance records, this is the way it will look. This date field will always default to today's date. You can always click this and select other dates, but it will default to today's date. The first thing we want to do is click this Import Active Employees. This will import into this box a list of active employees, and it will take a few seconds. So let's click on that, and we will wait for that to happen, which should take a few seconds depending on an internet connection. Once this loads up, you'll see that we have a list of active employees. From here, all we'll do is we'll select each employee, and we can select a record, and so we can say this person is late, and we can say they're late by 15 minutes. And all we do is we just go straight down the list and select the records for each person. And again, we can make use of the notes here by writing in helpful information. And we click Save. So that's how we input the attendance for the day. Now this date field up here, we can toggle between dates. So let's say today was the 21st when we logged on. Again, we would see this blank because we haven't imported the active employees for the 21st of November yet. But we could go back and look at the 20th of November and it would reload up our list. Okay. From here, there's a couple things we can do with this list. The first thing that we should do is once this is all done, once we input our records, click the email report button. This will email a report to management, and I think for whatever reason right now my internet connection is not great, so it's not connecting to the server. Okay, this time it did, so it'll say report was sent. Sometimes it might say there's an error. If it says there's an error, typically it's an internet issue. Okay, but this says that the report was sent, which is great. We'll click close. We can also print the report. So if we click this button down here, it says print report. It will open this box and we see our report here. From here we can click print HTML and we can print the report for the day. It will print whatever, it will print the report for whatever day is selected in our date field on this component up on the top left. Okay, so that's how we print the report, that's how we email the report. The other thing that we can do here is we can go up to the top right where it says individual attendance, and we can actually run a report just on an individual employee. So we can put in the employee's name, we can select the dates that we want to run the report for. So now we've only inputted attendance records for one date in between November 17th and November 23rd. So all we'll see is one record in our list, but had we have the records for the 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, you would see all these records in here. And again, you can print this report right from this print HTML button on top. And we can go back, and this brings us back to our home screen. And that's how you use the attendance tracker.